In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your email inside TikTok. So basically what you want to do is first you want to open up your TikTok app. Once you open up your TikTok app, go to the profile, click on the top right on the hamburger menu and then click on settings and privacy. Once you're on this screen, you want to click on account and from here you want to click on user information. And from there you want to click on email and then you can verify your email, change email or even unlink email. If you want to change it, click change email. A 6-digit code will be sent to your current email. Once you get the code, input the code right over here and from there TikTok will ask you to add a new email. And that's it. That's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If this video helped you out, subscribe, leave a like and comment.